in this video we will be solving this JE question. If sigma r varies from 1 to 30, 1 by sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 into sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 equal to a root 3 plus b. So we will be solving your LHS, and the LHS will be of the form a root 3 plus b, the final answer. Then where a and b are element of z, a and b are integral value. Then a square plus b square equal to, after finding a and b, we just need to calculate the sum of the squares of those two values. First of all, we can solve the LHS part. That is sigma r varies from 1 to 13. 1 by sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 into pi by 6 into sine of pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. So this is our left hand side. Here I will be substituting this particular value as a and this value as b. Now what is the value of a? A is equal to pi by 4. I will be distributing this value inside. Pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 6, and b value will be equal to pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Here it is, we can clearly observe that this particular value, that is pi by 4 plus r pi by 6, is equal to b. I will be substituting here. So the thing is a equal to b minus pi by 6. That is, if you bring this value here and a or here, you know that you will get pi by 6 equal to a, b minus a, b minus a equal to pi by 6. So this is the relation between these two angles. Majority time it will be simply the difference. You will get something when you take the difference of these two value. That is, when you do b minus a or a minus b, you will get some value. That's a hint. Now the thing is, whenever it is cos or sine, that is sine, whether it, even if it is cos and cos here or sine, you just always go with the sine on the numerator. That is, the thing is, see here our expression is this one. This expression I can write it as sigma r value varies from 1 to 13, 1 by sine a into sine b. I already substituted these values sine a and b, so I don't need to write this value every time. Here we can have a relation that this thing 1 to 13, I will be multiplying with the sine pi by 6, sine pi by 6 on the numerator and denominator. Since it is a constant, you can directly multiply across the sigma notation. Now the relation is pi by 6 is equal to b minus a. So you can directly replace this numerator with 1 by sine pi by 6 value is 1 by 2 sigma r equal to 1 to 13 sine of b minus a divided by sine a sine b. Here this will become 2. This value will become, so this will become sigma r varies from 1 to 13. I will be expanding with the sine a minus b identity. But sine a minus b, sine a minus b will be equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So here it will become sine b cos a minus cos b sine a, the whole divided by sine a sine b. Now you will be splitting this value. So when you split this value, this will become sine a cos a divided by sine a sine b minus cos b sine a divided by sine a sine b. Here sine a value will be cancelling. Here sine, it's sine b, sine b. Sine b will be cancelling. So you will be getting 2 into sigma r varies from 1 to 13. Cos a divided by sine a will be cot a minus cot a minus cot b. Now we can substitute the value. This will be sigma 2 into sigma r varies from 1 to 13. Cot a value. A value is this one. A value is this one. Pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 6. It will be pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus cot b value will be pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. Now we will be applying this sigma notation over here. So this will be we will be putting r value as 1. First value will be r equal to 1. So when r equal to 1, it will become cot of pi by 4 plus r value is 1. R equal to 1. First case r equal to 1. So when you put 1, it will be pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Now we will be putting r values. Here we will be putting r values. R value will be 2. So this will become cot of pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus, here we will be putting r equal to, so it will become cot of pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6, and it will be continuing till 13. That is, it will become cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6, that is r pi by 6, r equal to 13 minus pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6. So all value will be here. Here, when you closely observe something, you can notice that pi by 6 minus pi by 6 will become 0. That will be cancelled. And here, this value 2 pi by 6 minus pi by 6 will become pi by 6. This will become pi by 6. And if you closely observe first 4 terms, just take the first 4 terms. If you closely observe the first 4 terms, you can notice that this term, that is this term, is the middle terms will be same and it will be cancelling to each other. So those value will be cancelled. Similarly, all middle terms will be cancelled. At the end, you will be left out with 2 into cot of pi by 4 minus cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6. Here, what is the value of cot pi by 4? Cot pi by 4 is 1, and this can be written as cot of pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6. 13 pi by 6. 13 pi by 6 can be written as 12 by 6 pi plus pi by 6. 12 by 6 pi will become 2 pi. This will become 2 pi. So our answer will be pi by 6 plus 2 pi. We already know for trigonometry function, f of 2n pi plus theta will be equal to f of theta. Similarly, since 2 pi is a period for all trigonometry function repeats after 2 pi period, this value we can directly replace as pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Now what is cot A, cot B? Cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus B will be equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Now when you apply this identity here, this value will become 2 into 1 minus cot A, cot pi by 4 is 1, in the cot B is root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 3. Now we will be solving this one. We can rationalize this value inside the bracket. So this will become 2 into 1 minus of root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 3. So we will be multiplying with root 3 minus 1 on the numerator and denominator. So this value will become 2 into 1 minus, this will be a square minus b square. So it will be 3 minus 1, and this is a plus b the whole square. It will be a square plus b square minus 2ab identity. Here this will be 2 into 1 minus 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Again, when you take it 2 common and cancel, you will get it is 2 into 1 minus 2 minus root 3. That is, you have cancelled this. When you open this bracket, it will become 2 into 1 minus 2 plus root 3. Therefore, this will become 2 into root 3 minus 1. 2 into root 3 minus 1. So our answer will be 2 into root 3 minus 1. So our answer will be 2 into root 3 minus 1. That is 2 root 3 minus 1. From here, it is of the form a root 3 plus b. That is, our a value will be equal to, quotient of root 3 will be equal to a equal to 2, and b value, the constant value will be equal to minus 2, because when you open this one, it will be 2 root 3 minus 2 over here. Now, what is a square plus b square? A square plus b square will be equal to 2 square plus minus 2 the whole square. So our final answer will be 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8.